Mr. Adam.
Hello, how are you?
My name is Henry from channel Hobby BACOT,
Hello,
YouTube.
my friend.
Can I talk something and ask some question to you?
Okay, sure.
How do you feel can back to here to Aceh and play for Persiraja?
Yeah, it's great. It's good to be back, you know. It's good to be back with my teammates. So hopefully we can carry on doing what we did before.
Okay, great. And maybe do you have something to say to your fans and to Persiraja supporter?
Yeah, just keep going. Since I've arrived here, you guys have been amazing. So I hope you guys can keep the support. Even though you can't come to stadiums, you can still watch online and come to training. But just thank you for everything you've done so far because you've been amazing.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Mitter. I hope success always for you, and we are very, very happy you can back here and play for Persiraja.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mitter.